Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're well. If it's your first time here, then don't forget to press that subscribe button. So let me get straight into it. I know how you guys don't like when people talk for ages, so I'm gonna go straight into it because I know you clicked on this video to find out how I got my waist snatched. So first things first, if you haven't watched my first weight loss video, go and watch that. I'm gonna leave the link down below for you guys. So I'm basically explaining what I did, you know, from the beginning of the year till now to lose weight, mainly exercising and eating right. And yeah, so I'll answer a few questions in that as well. So if you haven't seen it just yet, make sure you go back and watch that, then come to this video. So how I got my waist snatched. Well, to be honest, my waist isn't that snatched just yet. I still haven't reached my ideal goal, my ideal weight, my ideal snatchness, if that's even a word. I still haven't reached that just yet, but I thought, let me just share, you know, as I go along. You never know, it could be inspiring someone. Someone might be at the beginning of their journey or midway through their journey, and whatever I'm saying could be a great boost of motivation, and it can just help someone along the way. So yeah, so apart from exercising and cutting out a bunch of junk, a bunch of sweets, a bunch of fake stuff, you know, that we be putting in our bodies, another thing that I've been doing that I didn't mention in my previous video because I wanted to include it in this video is I've been doing intermittent fasting. A lot of you may have heard it before, a lot of you may have not, so I'm just going to touch up on intermittent fasting, what it is, and the results that I got. So obviously the beginning of my weight loss journey, I was doing a lot of research. You know, you try certain things, some things work for you, some things don't, and intermittent fasting is something that I saw quite a bit, so I thought, oh, you know what, let me try it. And to be honest, it's not easy. It is so hard to begin with. It's really hard to begin with, as most things are when you're, you know, changing your diet, changing your lifestyle. It's kind of hard for you to adjust. Once your body has adjusted to it, it's completely fine. The intermittent fasting is an eating pattern where you cycle around eating and then fasting. So you can, some people fast for like 16 hours, some do it for 8 hours. It's completely up to you and how your body functions and what you can tolerate. So you have your eating windows where you eat, and then you have your non-eating windows when you obviously fast. So what I've done is that when I started intermittent fasting, I was doing the eating from 12 to 8. So I wouldn't eat before 12 and I wouldn't eat after 8 p.m. So my eating windows would be 12 to 8 p.m. And to be honest, the first 2 days, oh my gosh, my stomach was speaking in tongues, my stomach was rumbling, it was singing, it was roaring, everything. Like, I was just like, oh gosh, this is torture. But to be honest, after the second day, third day, fourth day, fifth day, you know, you just get used to it. And I started seeing differences, I started seeing changes. Right, so even though you can eat between 12 and 8 p.m, don't make the mistake of just eating whatever you want, but because you're fasting for the rest of the hours that you're going to lose weight or you're going to see any benefits. No, basically it's all about your calorie intake. So if I'm eating over 3,000, 4,000 calories a day and I'm doing intermittent fasting, I'm not, you won't see any results because you're eating so much, and then obviously all the fat and everything will just sit there and you're literally just starving yourself for no reason. You're not really starving if you're eating that many calories, but still it doesn't work like that. Like, I still make sure that my calories are a bit low and that I'm burning off more than I am consuming, if that makes sense. Yeah, that's what I've been doing literally for the last couple of weeks, a month or two, and it's worked great. Like, my stomach has shrunk. I don't have as much belly fat as I used to. Like, my belly before was just, oh, it was just so embarrassing, like really embarrassing. And it's all down to your eating choices and your eating habits and your eating times. And it's just like, it's a lot of discipline as well. You are, let's say you're like reprogramming your body, you know. And so yeah, I'm not gonna sit here and say it's totally easy, like it's just a breeze. It is not. It's hard, it's challenging. There are times where you're like, do you know what, forget this, I'm gonna go have some chocolate, I'm gonna go have some chips, I'm gonna go get some McD's. But you know, it's all about discipline. You need to discipline yourself and train your mind, train your body, you know, and then you will see great results. And also, if you combine that with exercise, you will see even faster results, you know. And that's literally what I've been doing. Like, and all I can say is that I'm really happy with my results, and I'm happy that I've stuck to it, and it's literally a lifestyle change. It's not a quick fix. Like, I can't stress this enough. There is no quick fix. Anybody telling you, oh, drink this tea, drink this, drink that, take these pills, I think it's just a lie. It's just marketing, you know. They're trying to get sales. They know that weight loss is a touchy subject for most people, and most people sometime in their life will be on a weight loss journey. Everybody in their life at one point would want to lose weight. So it's easy money saying I drank this and I lost this much. I don't believe in all that. I just think if you work hard, change your eating habits, exercise regularly, there is no reason why you cannot reach your goals. No reason at all. Unless if you're not putting in the work. Just like with most things in life. If you don't put in the work, you won't see the results. There is no quick fix. There's no secret. You know, there's no shortcut. Like most people, you'll be taking the tea. What, you drink the tea for how long? I don't know how many weeks. And after you finish drinking the tea, then what? You're just gonna put all the weight back on. So that's what I'm saying, just a quick fix. But this is a lifestyle change. Whereas if you're working for it, you know, you're preparing yourself for it, it's really hard for you to backslide unless if you really let yourself go. That's my little piece of advice, and something that I've learned along the way. So yeah, so if you do the intermittent fasting, I don't know, you can do several eating hours. I mean, you don't have to do 12 to 8 like me. What I'm trialing for now, I'm going to try it for a week or two, is 12 to 6. I know it's crazy. I just want to get my waist a little bit more snatched, you know. So I'm going to try 12 to 6 and see how that goes. Again, I am combining this with exercise, guys. I do exercise, I work out, I go to the gym 4 to 5 times a week. And when I'm not at the gym, I try to stay active. So I'm going to see how that goes and see if I can lose a little bit more inches off of my waist, because I ideally want my waist to be a 25. I'm currently on like 26 and a bit, but I want it to be 25, guys. And you know, so I'm gonna try and change a few things and see how that works for me. So fingers crossed, because it's not easy at all, like not at all. I do hope this video was useful for somebody. Like, I'm not a nutritionist, I am not a fitness expert, I am not a doctor, I'm not a GP. I'm just sharing what I've been doing and how it's worked for me. I'm literally a normal girl, normal person, just like you guys, on a fitness journey, you know, trialing things, doing trial and error, seeing what works, seeing what doesn't, and then just sharing it and passing it on. Another crucial thing for me to get my waist snatched is that I train with a waist belt. Oh my gosh, I don't know what I'll do without this sweat belt. Like, it's literally my number one. Like, I'm always at the gym with it. And that is it for me, guys. This was just like a quick video talking to you guys about how my plans, you know, how I've been working towards a smaller waist, burning belly fat, because it is so stubborn. Like, belly fat is so stubborn. Like, the fat just doesn't want to go. Well, it's going, but you know, I want it to go even more. So I'm just sharing with you guys, giving you guys a bit of motivation and showing what I do and what I know. If you guys want more videos like this, then do not forget to thumbs up. Also share with all your friends and family that need weight loss motivation, and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and I'll see you in my next video.